Hey guys, Rick Hogg with Warhog Tactical. Check us out at warhog.com. So I want to introduce you to the shifting gears drill. So again, use the firearms training notebook to design this drill. So again, the intent being with the shifting gears drill, what I'm looking to do is I've got two targets. They're at varying distances and again, varying sizes. So obviously for the closer target being the bigger target, I can sit there and get my shots or my splits on there quicker. And then obviously for the further target, it's a smaller target, so I'm gonna have to shift gears or throttle down and able to get my two good hits on target. And if you notice, I'm using the word hits, not shots, because yeah, I can shoot twice. If I miss, it's not doing anything. I've got to get two good positive hits on target. So what you're gonna see is for this first one, I'm just gonna shoot it the way it is. I'll shoot the first one, the closest target first. You'll see that I'll be able to get my splits a lot quicker. When I transition, or excuse me, index over to that further target, I'm gonna have to shift gears to ensure I get my hits, and then I'm gonna do it in reverse. I'll shoot the rear target first. You'll see the splits will be a little bit de-accelerated, and then obviously once I get to that bigger target, I can ramp it up, i.e. shifting the gears to be able to get those splits quicker. Then when we're said and done all that, I'll talk to you guys, give you a little bit of info, and then we're gonna do it one more time where now the Grizzly S&S kind of has control. So now the shooter, I can't decide which one I wanna do. It's all gonna be based off of that movement of the target. Eyes and ears, guys. So again, for me, I'm just starting down here at a good low ready position. Intent being, I'm gonna hit that first target. My eyes are gonna shift and I'm driving my sights to that target. I'll have to shift the gears down in order to get that shot. Here we go, so I'm down here. So you notice on the closer one, I can get those splits a lot quicker. Throttle down for the further one. So I'll start in the back. Again, almost going into that lower gear and then kick it up when I get closer. So again, you can just see how we're shifting gears back and forth. Now what's gonna happen is the targets will turn, and again, I don't know which one's gonna come up. That's fine. Again, from the instructor standpoint, it gives me the ability to kind of adjust that student's ability. So if I'm sitting there looking at him going, hey, maybe he's struggling with that further shot or shifting the gears, I can work that piece in order to enhance his capability. So let's see what it looks like here. Just watching the targets, here we go. All right, one more time, here we go. So again, you saw that I'm kind of mid-talking. Next you know, they expose themselves. Hey man, game's on. So again, from that instructor standpoint, it gives you that versatility to go, which way do you want to drive the students? Totally up to you. If I wanted to put more out there, I could do the same thing. If you want to say a close, intermediate, far target, the beauty with the Grizzly S&S, it comes with numerous different targets. So again, I can swap it up. Hey, if I wanted to keep them the same, different, it doesn't matter. Just let your kind of your imagination determine which way you want to do business. So again, just a quick, easy drill, working target indexing at different distances, shifting gears, use the firearms training notebook to make yourself 1% better. You guys train hard, stay safe, and we'll see you on the range.